All right, so right now we're taking the injectors out of the NSX to get them cleaned. This car's been sitting for a little while, and then I cleaned it here at home, but the injectors are kind of on their way out just because they've been sitting for a long time. And my plan is to just take them out and pull the injectors, get them to West Tech to have them cleaned one more time. And if they work, great. If they don't work, we're tossing them out and buying some new injectors for the car, because this thing is twin turbo, so twin brewskis. We got the intercooler in the back. Not sure if you guys can see them, but they're right here. And then, let me get on the side here. And they have two small, really small, tiny turbos. So one right there. Come on, focus. One right there. And then one right up here. So these are aeromotive. Not aeromotive. I think they're aero chargers. So they're self-sustained oiling. You don't need to put any oil system to it. And it's just using supercharger oil. And change them out once in a while. And they run pretty decently. But they're not good for a lot of boost. But they're good for low-end quick power stuff. So, but yeah, and then there's two additional supplemental injectors for more fuel that's on the intake pipe. This one wasn't hooked up, so it's never been used. But those are still functioning. I have a little bit of a coolant leak. I'm not sure where it's from, but we'll chase that down as well. But this is what we're doing today. After this, we're going to be... All right, so after the NSX, we're going to get this thing cleaned up and fired up because we're taking it to the dyno, West Tech this week or early next week. I just need, one last thing I need is just a battery. This one came with a stupid Braille battery. It's super small. And then since it's been sitting, it died. And now I need a Braille battery. Probably the injectors need cleaning on this as well, but I cleaned it before we put it back in. So I'm gonna fire it up and see how she runs. If it's super weird and lopey, then probably time for another injector clean. Yeah, so this is the project for the week. Get the blown S2K going, get it tuned so I can go smash it on the street while the NSX, not the NSX, but while the Supra's out. Let's see, what else are we killing this week? I think that's it. And the girlfriend's LS car is up for sale. So this thing is good to go, fresh motor, no overheating, really well taken care of. Accu-slump. Everything's pretty much good to go for racing. So, pretty solid car, looking for, let me say, 14 grand. So if you got 14 grand, this car is for sale. It's got the front bumper as well, because we are taking, or we're actually building other cars. So this one's been phenomenal. It's ready to go do Pro-Am. Probably just a knuckle upgrade. This one has cut and welded knuckles at the moment, but everything else is pretty phenomenal. Let me see if she'll fire up. Okay. So this is a dry fire up after being sitting for about a couple months. Ready? Yeah, I need some fuel. She's really low on fuel. So yeah, still runs good. Really nice car. If you're doing Pro-Am or like drifting or anything like that, this would be it. It cannot be licensed for street in the state of California. Just giving you guys a shout. Purely drift car build. All right, stay tuned. There's some other stuff coming out throughout the day, and I'll keep you guys. Oh no, we don't want that Magnuson sticker. Trash that. We're not working with that company right now. That's horrible. Don't buy that. But so, all right, hit you guys up later. Cheers.